Hello everyone, today we have
Another is someone creative director of the Rotaract Club of B, Birla College for the year 24-25.
Okay, now let's start with our alumni interview. So Lavish my first question is, how did you end up joining Rotaract? Was it accidental?
Yes, it was accidental. Honestly, I joined Rotaract because of my friends. I don't know what Rotaract was.
Oh, I see. If you need to describe Rotaract in 3 words, what it would be?
Growth, ownership, and reality check.
Who was your favorite person or member in our team or in your team?
Rotaractor
Oh, why so?
like बहुत chill है and सब अच्छे से handle करता है जैसे.
Any moments where you felt कि Rotaract के बिना मैं कर ही नहीं पाता, Rotaract से ये चीज़ सीखी है?
Almost every day. Because Rotaract में आने के बाद मेरी रीडिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव है and मेरी क्रिएटिविटी स्टोरी स्किल्स है वो एनहांस है. तो उस वजह से मैं वीडियो एडिटिंग इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट कर रहा हूँ.
So कभी Rotaract की वजह से you have got clients or opportunities?
Rotaract की वजह से नहीं पर Rotaract की एक्सपीरियंस की वजह से.
So it's like good in your resume.
Yeah.
Who would you consider as your mentor in this Rotaract journey?
Mr. Anil Tiwari.
And why so?
Because he challenges and forces us to think deeper.
Okay. What is one skill that you learned in this Rotaract journey that you still use today?
Standing up for myself and saying no when required, time management and patience.
That's something very important. Well, what advice would you like to give to someone who is just new to Rotaract or who is joining Rotaract right now?
Participate in any project because every project is an opportunity just to improve.
At last, what concluding message would you like to give to our audience?
Join Rotaract because it will give you reality check about yourself.
Hello everyone, for the second round of interview here we have today.
I am alumni the Public Relations and Marketing Director of Rotaract Club of B, Birla College for the year 24-25.
Okay, so now let's start with our interview session. So how did you end up joining Rotaract at the first place?
It was accidental and intentionally both because there was a craze of Rotaract in first year when we were in first year, and my friends started joining the Rotaract and accidentally or intentionally, I don't know, I also joined the Rotaract Club.
Basically because of the
my friends.
Yeah. Describe Rotaract in 3 words, what it would be?
Reality check, real world experience, and sleepless nights.
I see. Now can you share one way Rotaract had directly influenced your career or your path?
It gave me an opportunity to learn many things, like it gave me a real world experience, how to communicate with people in outside world, or for jobs, for getting jobs or talking to clients.
Like basically it forced you to come out of your comfort zone. I see. Now who would you consider your favorite member or mentor in this Rotaract journey?
Mr. Anil sir, because he is very punctual and his view of seeing the worlds and problems is very great to learn.
The founder of Birla, of course. How did you feel being a part of this global movement, Rotaract?
It's a very proud moment for me to being a Rotaract member for 2 years and now alumni, and it was a great experience and I'm very proud of it.
Any moment कि you felt कि Rotaract के बिना तो ये मैं कर ही नहीं पाती?
या मतलब बाहर जाकर बात करना दूसरों से एंड कम्युनिकेट करना, मोस्टली यही प्रॉब्लम था मेरा, एंड सीरियसनेस, पेशेंस, ये सब नहीं टाइम अपने में है.
So these are the basic need skills that you learned through Rotaract.
Yeah.
Now at last, what advice would you like to give to someone who is new to Rotaract or is joining Rotaract right now?
Just go for it. देखो मत कि क्यों करना है, किस लिए करना है, वो रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा एंड इट विल हेल्प यू मोस्ट, लाइक वेरी मोस्ट लाइक बहुत हेल्प करेगा और आगे फ्यूचर में इन एवरी वे.
Any concluding message you would like to give to our audience?
बस Rotaract ले जाओ एंड देखो जो लेसन्स मिल रहे हैं उसको अप्लाई करो अपने रियल लाइफ वर्ल्ड में.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Bye.